Hello, now you're with me, Dior. So actually, I have bought this phone, which is Asus Max Pro M1, which is have 4 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM previously last year, but then it's lost. So this one is actually sponsored by my dad, so thank you very much, my daddy. Okay, then this, okay, let's open this box. This I bought this Zenfone Max Pro M1, which is my favorite. It's 6-inch, if you can see it here. Okay, specification. Okay, then it states here, yeah, black, and then 6 GB RAM. Can you see it here? Yeah, 6 GB RAM, and then yeah, 64 GB ROM, LTE 6.0. The best thing why I choose to buy this again, because of it will give you lifetime 100 GB Google Drive for free, which is, if you have to pay, let's say per yearly is about $18 USD or $19 USD. So you know, you save a lot. And then this used to be, the price used to be 999, which is about 1,000 ringgit. But now I wait for the good time to buy, and it's only cost me only 609, which is, it's very rare to get this price. 6 RAM and also 64 GB ROM for 609, right? Okay, so like this. What else here? Right. Okay. What is this here? We love photo. Yeah. Okay. Then what is this? Okay, the pin. Then we have the, okay. Oh, this thing come together. PVC soft cover behind, and warranty provision. I guess nowadays it's warranty. It's all warranty reference. Okay, warranty period. Okay, this is a user guide. Warranty comes with like this, with these two IMEI. Is it called IMEI? IMEI and all in one. Okay, and this. Okay. Then sticker. I don't know what, but later on I'll check out for this. Okay. Done. This side. Right, and then, ta-da! Here's the thing. Yep. This. Wow. You know how it feels to get a new phone? It feels superb. Okay, this is behind. Okay, this is Pro M1, yeah, not M2. M2 is more the latest one, but I choose to have M1 because of 300 GB Google Drive, but M2 doesn't have it. Okay, and then yeah, this here behind. If you bought this Asus Pro M1, the original, it would be like this behind. Okay, fingerprint to camera. Okay, that's it, and this is the front. Okay. Okay, can wait. Okay, let's see what else here. Okay, because it's Malaysia, we use a UK plug. And the charger, let me see. Let's take here. Output 5 volt 2.0. 5 volt. It's a fast charging, but not the Qualcomm 2.0 or Qualcomm 3.0. It's I would rather say it's a normal fast charging, not really that fast, because I used Samsung Zoom before, which is from the Taiwan version, and have a 12 volt the 12 volt output, but this one is only 5 volt. Okay, yeah, later on. Then the charger, the wire, USB wire, the earphone. I never use the earphone. I don't know whether it's good or not, because I have my own earphone, which is from Huawei. For me, that's the best one. And this is the ear plug. Can you see it like this? So here. Okay. Short, right there. There you go. Nothing else. Sure. That's it. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, I guess nothing. Right. Okay. So before I'm gonna open this phone, okay, the yeah, okay, then use a pin to open the okay. So Asus Pro M1 have this. Yeah. There you go. Okay, so for the SD card, SIM1 and SIM2, and SD card is it can go for about 2 terabyte for SIM card, but it's not yet in the market. But see, Asus already like front giving us an option for the 2 TB SD card. So that's it. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to put my SIM card and SD card later on. So this is the unboxing of the Zenfone Asus Max Pro M1.